I'm Mike Jordan. I am professor of computer science and statistics at the University of California, Berkeley. I work in the field of machine learning. It's about data coming from human beings and about human beings. And when you involve human beings, it should be more than just what services they want or how much money they should make. It should somehow be about culture, about art, about music, about movies, about things people read, things people say. So what I feel is most exciting to me, what's emerging in our era, is a new kind of field that brings together humans and culture with technology. So what I'm most interested in is new ideas that help connect people in ways that really give them value. So producers of art or producers of music or producers of services should be connected to the consumers, people who want to take advantage of their services or to be entertained by them. So really a new kind of connectivity among human beings is emerging, and I want technology and platforms to be able to provide that. So you have to remember that your technology, if it's going to be used by people, it should work better and better the more people are using it. So thinking about how to make sure your products are actually giving value to people, they even would be willing to pay for it, and they would be willing to have their data shared because everyone's getting value out of it.